guys, welcome to Virtu AI and Hybris Technologies. I'm Khaja Ali. Today I'm going to show how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA in Windows 11 64-bit operating system. So let's get started. Open the browser, type IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, click on the first link. So it will lead you to the official website. This is an official website of IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful, intelligent and widely used integrated development environment developed by JetBrains. It is primarily designed for Java development but supports a wide range of other programming languages like Kotlin, Groovy, Scala, Python, JavaScript and many more through plugins. IntelliJ IDEA is known for its smart coding assistance, deep understanding of code, and developer productivity tools. IntelliJ IDEA comes in two editions. One is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition, another is Community Edition. So, Community Edition is free and open source. Ultimate Edition is commercial with advanced support for web, enterprise and mobile development. So guys, let's download Community Edition, which is free. So click on here, default it is selecting .exe file for Windows. Click on download. As this is a Windows 11 operating system. So just to save the time, I have our download process. So I'm just cancelling this. So let's navigate to the next tab. So here the download process already in progress. Once the download process completes, we can start installation of IntelliJ IDEA. And its version is 2025.1.3. The download process completed successfully. Now click on this .exe file. Now a pop-up of IntelliJ IDEA installation appears on screen. Click on Yes. Click on Next. So by default it's selecting a destination folder under program files because this is a 64-bit software. So it will by default install under program files, which is a 64-bit software's directory. Here we can see the required space is 3.2 GB. Click on Next. Just click on this first checkbox, which creates a shortcut key on screen desktop. Click on this checkbox and associations. I need all this. Just select all these checkboxes and yeah, this is mandatory. So here we are adding bin directory to the path, and for this restart is must. Click on Next. So by default it is creating JetBrains directory. So just click on Install. So the installation process will take some time. Here the installation process of IntelliJ IDEA completed successfully. Now we need to restart the system by selecting the reboot now, because we created a bin directory at the path. So for that a restart is needed. So let's restart the system. Click on this. Click on Finish. Now we restarted the system. You can see here a shortcut key appears on screen related to IntelliJ IDEA as we selected the checkbox. Open the IntelliJ IDEA. Accept the agreement. Click on Continue. So a pop-up appears on the screen related to data sharing. As we can see here, it mentioned, please note that this will not include personal data or any sensitive information such as source code, file names, etc. The data is with the JetBrains privacy policy. So I'm clicking button. So here we can see the UI of the IntelliJ IDEA. Before exploring the IntelliJ IDEA, Let's learn about its key features. The key features of IntelliJ IDEA are version control integration, code navigation and search, code analysis and refactoring, smart code completion, built-in tools and framework support, web and mobile development, debugging and testing, plugins ecosystem, intelligent editor, AI-powered features, JetBrains AI assistant. So after installation of IntelliJ IDEA, when we open the IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, it will display Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA message with three options: New Project, Open, Clone Repository under Projects. So here we can, using the first option, we can create a new project using the available technologies in the Community Edition and open the existing project in our local machine and can clone the project from the register repository. So let's create a new project. Here we can see a list of technologies: Java, Kotlin, Groovy, Maven, JavaFX and Spring. Here in Community Edition, Spring is not. So for Spring, we need to install IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition, where it is available for only 30 days with all these features. So good for practice and develop many applications in the given interval of time, 30 days period. After that, if we like, we can go for paid version. So let's create a Java project. Minicart. This is a path where I have created a new directory. So just I'm selecting Java demos as a path. So here I'm creating a Git repository by checking this checkbox. So by default, IntelliJ IDEA will perform Git initialize at given path. And here I'm using build system Maven and JDK. It is fetching SAP machine 17.0.15 because in local I have installed CMD. In local I have installed SAP machine. Java version. So here we can see OpenJDK version 17.0.15 SAP machine. If I have installed Java in my local machine, then instead of OpenJDK, it will display Java. I am using SAP machine because the developers who are working on SAP related technologies, the SAP machine is highly recommended instead of Java. So that is the reason I have installed SAP machine 17. Just open the advanced settings. Here we can see group ID, nothing but package name. Artifacts ID is nothing but it should be a name of the application, which is by default fetching here. Now click on create button to create a Java project. So this is the structure: src, main, Java, and so under this package, main class created. And here we can see pom.xml file where we register dependencies which will download libraries from central repository and configure the project accordingly, provide the features which will be helpful in developing application like Spring security, etc. Here git ignore file which contains some properties, some formats of the files if you want to ignore that while uploading the project into the Git repository. So whatever the like formats we mentioned here, so those format related files it will ignore while uploading the project into the Git repository. Let's also explore the path where we created Java project. Click on my computer, D, here git demo, Java demo, here minicart. This is the project, and also IntelliJ provided git initialize here at the given path, and this is a git ignore file. So this is how we create a Java project in IntelliJ IDEA. We can also change the keymap in IntelliJ IDEA just by navigating here. Click on this setting button, keymap. Here it will display a list of keymaps. So out of the box, it is selecting Windows. If any developers new to IntelliJ IDEA from Eclipse background, so they can select Eclipse keymap and continue working. And NetBeans also available, Visual Studio also available, and many more. So as of now, I would like to continue with Windows keymap. And here also we can see themes. So the list of themes available here, it is one of the feature of IntelliJ IDEA. And in the next video, I'm going to explain how to import Hybris project in IntelliJ IDEA and how to apply themes. And we can also add the background image by using some plugin and many more. Now let's see how to update our IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So if we install a latest version and after a few days and another version got released, so in that scenario, like we need to navigate to the main menu, go to help and navigate to check for updates. Here just click on this. It will in the backend check for the latest release. If there is any latest release available, it will install or it will get updated accordingly, installing the latest version with latest plugins, available plugins. If it is a updated version, then it will show a message like this. You already have the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA and plugins installed. So with this, we can confirm that we're having a latest updated version in our local installed in our local machine. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video informative, please like, subscribe, share. See you next video. Thank you.